Gopher right there.
Hold it steady.
Look at it.
Hold it steady so you can see him when he comes out.
Yeah, that's definitely a gopher.
I wish he'd poke his head out more so we could see better.
I know.
There he is.
Ew. What is that?
It might be a mole. I can't tell. Did you zoom in all the way?
Yeah. Look at that.
He's definitely digging, isn't he?
I'm gonna show this to Jocelyn. So cute.
There he is. Look at, he's pushing all that
There
dirt.
he is.
I can't tell what that is. Sure is making a mess of their little yard, though.
Sure is. Look at that.
Oh, look at his little...
I'm gonna go grab it.
No, he'll go back in his hole.
Look at that. Well, I mean, he has nowhere else to go. Let's go out the other end.
I think that is a little gopher, isn't it?
Lost him. Oh, there he is. He just shot right back in.
Yeah, look at him digging all those holes.
That's so funny. I need to get a better view. Look at that. Right in that little hole. Yeah, I was wondering if we were gonna see him.
Yeah, sure enough.
I wonder if he'll come out.
Look at the holes that he's been digging in their yard, all the piles of dirt.
I wonder if he's going to another place.
Maybe. No, he's still there.
Looks like he's turning around.
He's been digging and he's pushing the dirt out, see him?
Look at that! Ah!
He's digging and pushing the dirt out.
Oh, look at that! It's so funny. I love that. That is adorable. Do you have any food?
Well, I'm sure he's getting bugs and stuff that are in the grass. And he's pushing more dirt out. Hmm. There he goes, look at him. Getting quite the little pile of dirt there.
That's what they create those huge.
He's got a whole little trail going through those.
Probably came in right there. Or went under his house. Their house, at least. Yeah.
Gopher.
Gopher.
He's a little guy too, but I can't believe how big of dirt mounds he's getting there.
Love you, Jocelyn.